Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is cylinder. Today first question is find the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of right circular cylinder whose height is 15 centimeter and the radius of base is 7 centimeter. So our target to find third question in this question. First is curved surface area, second is total surface area and third is volume. So now see here, first curved surface area. Second is total surface area. Okay, and third is volume. Right? Radius is given 7 centimeter and height is given. What is height given? Height is given 15 centimeter. Right? First our target curved surface area and second is total surface area and third is volume. So now see here, curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h curved surface area formula, right? So 2 into pi means 22 by 7 and radius is 7 centimeter and height is given 15 centimeter. So now 7 and 7 cancel. 2 into 2 22 will be 44, right? And 15 centimeter square, because centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square into 15 centimeter square. So curved surface area will be 15 for just 60 and 15 for just 60 plus 6 will be 660 centimeter square. So curved surface area is equal to 660 centimeter square. Now total surface area. Curved surface area is equal to 660 centimeter square, right? So wrote here 660 centimeter square. Second is total surface area. Total surface area is equal to, second, total surface area formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. So now see here, 2 pi means 22 by 7. Okay, and radius is given 7 centimeter and height is given 8 centimeter. So 7 centimeter plus height is 15 centimeter. Okay. Total surface area formula is 2 into pi into r plus h. So 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r, sorry, here will be 7. Okay. Now see here, 7 and 7 cancel. Okay. So 2 into 22 into 15 plus 7 will be 22. 22 centimeter a square, because centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter a square. So now see here, 2 into 2 will be 44 into 22 centimeter a square. So total curved surface area will be 22 into 44. So see here, 22 4 ja 88, right? And 22 4 ja 88 plus 8 will be 96, right? See here once again, 22 into 4 will be 88, remaining 8, and 22 into 4 will be again 88. 88 plus 8 will be 96. Okay, so total curved surface area is equal to 968 centimeter a square. So see here, total surface area is equal to 968 centimeter a square. Now what is volume of this cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter? So now see here, volume formula is pi r a square h, pi r a square h, right? So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is given 7 centimeter into height is 15 centimeter. Pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 centimeter. This is a square, okay, and 15 centimeter. So it will be 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter into 15 centimeter. 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter is just 7 a square. So 7 and 7 cancel. So it will be 22 by 7 into 15. 22 into 15 into 7 will be 105 centimeter cube, because centimeter into centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter cube. So 105 into 22 will be, now see here, 22 into 5 will be 1010, so 0, and 22 0, so it will be 11, okay, so it will be 1, and 22 1 is 22 and 1 23. So total volume is 2310 centimeter cube. So volume is equal to 2310 centimeter cube, right friend? 22 into 105 you can multiply. So after multiplying it comes 2310 centimeter a square. Okay, so let's move to question number 2. Question number 2, find the ratio between the total surface area of a cylinder to its curved surface area given that its height and radius are 7.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Find the ratio between total surface area and curved surface area. Now see here, this is total surface area, total surface area, and here curve surface area. Okay, so what is formula of total surface area? Total surface area formula is 2 into pi into r plus h ratio 2 pi r h. Radius is given. What is radius? Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter and height is 7.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter and height is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, total surface area ratio curved surface area formula is 2 into pi r into r plus h, and curved surface area formula is 2 into pi r h. So now 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 3.5, so we can write as 35 by 10 into radius is 3.5, okay, plus height is 7.5, so we can write as 75 by 10 ratio 2 and 22 by 7 pi into radius is 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter into what is height? Height is given 7.5 centimeter, right? So now see 7 5 is 35 and 10 common, so 10 and 10 is common. 35 plus 75 will be 110. 2 into 22, now 5 to 10 and 2 to cancel, so only 22 into 110 by 10, so we can write as it will be cancelled, so only 22 into 11 and ratio by 10 and by 10, so 7 5 is 35 and 5 2 is again 10, so 2 to cancel. Now 2 11 is 22 and 2 5 is 10 and 5 15 just 75. So I think 11 into 15, 11 into 15. So now see here, 11 and 11 is cancel, so ratio is 22 ratio 15. So this is the answer of this question. Total surface area and curved surface area ratio is 22 ratio 15. So this is the answer of this question, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks.